Hey guys, it's Big C. It's Friday afternoon. Doing some breaks. We're going to go ahead and do the archives break that ended May 30th. So there is the time. And we'll go ahead with the sign-up sheet. Topps Archives, baseball box, and then 5:30. And these are a little tough to see. Hopefully you can see them. I was running out of blank ink, so I wanted to try to get all these done before I ran and got some more ink. Which it looks like you could probably see them. And it looks like everything did sell out. And in the last row. Alrighty, here we go with the 2012 Topps Archive. See if we can pull a Yu Darvish shot out. Or Bryce Harper. There is a box. And here we go. Starting off with a Bill Matlock autograph for the Pirates, and that's Flem Dog 69. Again, some of these are short printed, the base cards. I'm not 100% which ones are. So, oh, look at that. The first two packs, Jack Clark autograph. Cardinals, and that would go to MKSD3. Johnny Bennett's a neat card. Lou Gehrig base. Maybe it's an autograph per pack. Yep. Babe Ruth. Tide Cobb, Roberto Clemente. CC 3D card. Base. Nolan Ryan. Trevor Cahill, Alan Craig, Sean Dunston. Steven Strasburg. You'd like to see Bryce Harper in that same design. I think that one is a short print. Brett Lowry. Sticker Tom Sevier, Matt Cain. Base. Matt Holiday, Ryan Braun, Joe Morgan Archives. Willie Mays 3D, Pujols Angels, Ichiro. And there is, I believe, there is printing plates and stuff also. Mike Davis, Darryl Strawberry, Paul Konerko, Dan Igla, Lance Berkman, Mike Stanton. Yoni, I can never say his name, and Yu Darvish. Those guys seem to always be back to back in the packs. Eric Hosmer, Catfish Hunter, Jack Clark, non-autograph. Let me pull those two real quick. I like to put those in sleeves. Alright, Joey Votto, Willie Stargell sticker, George Brett, Prince Fielder, Chris Young, refractor. Huh, same card. Ian Kenny, Ian Kinsler. Tommy Hanson, Mike Scott. Yogi Berra, refractor. Jay Buhner. Base. Wade Boggs. Brandon Phillips. Dustin Ackley. Gio Gonzalez. Alright, 3 more packs. Well, that Chapman's really bent. 3D Matt Kemp. Nolan Ryan. Last two, just a promotional card. Josh Hamilton. Ichiro. And last pack. Another Carl Yastrzemski. Paul Goldschmidt. And there you have it, guys. I appreciate it. First 2 packs were the autographs. Jack Clark and Bill Matlock. So, appreciate it. Keep checking them out. Big C 2014. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do. It's Big C 2020141. Appreciate it, guys. Thanks.